This 50 amp receptacle is ideal for electric vehicle recharging. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Included are easy to understand instructions. In addition to the receptacle, you also get the metal plate, hardware to install the plate, and then screws to install this to the interior of the wall. This is high impact nylon. It is a very heavy gauge. You have high performance copper contacts. This is the ideal solution for powering electric vehicles or high power appliances like electric stoves or even entire RVs. This can be used with number 4, number 6, or number 8 AUG copper wire only. Even has a cool electric vehicle graphic on the top. Another reminder, copper wire only.